Welcome to the Ultimate Logic Test Reasoning Quiz. Test your brain power and logical reasoning with these 20 challenging true or false questions. Each question will test your ability to think critically, analyze statements, and solve problems like a logic master. Can you get a perfect score? Let's find out. All squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. A square is a special type of rectangle with equal sides, but rectangles can have unequal adjacent sides. If all roses are flowers and some flowers are red, then all roses must be red. Only some flowers are red, not necessarily roses. If the sun is shining, it must be daytime. The sun is visible during daytime unless an extraordinary phenomenon occurs. If A is taller than B and B is taller than C, then A is shorter than C. If A is greater than B and B is greater than C, logically A is greater than C. Some birds can't fly, so not all birds have wings. All birds have wings, even if they can't fly. Example, ostriches, penguins. If two people start walking in opposite directions, they will never meet again. On a spherical Earth, they could meet after a full circle. If today is Monday, then yesterday was Sunday. By the standard progression of days in a week. If no dogs are cats and all cats are mammals, then no dogs are mammals. The statement does not exclude dogs from being mammals. All even numbers are divisible by 2. By definition, an even number is any number divisible by 2. If a square has an area of 16 square units, then each side is 4 units long. Square root of 16 equals 4. Area equals side times side. If it rains, the ground will always be wet. Rain might not make the ground wet if there's covering or drainage. All whales are mammals, so all mammals are whales. While all whales are mammals, mammals include many other species. If the sky is blue, it must be daytime. The sky appears blue due to sunlight scattering, which happens during the day. A triangle can have two right angles. A triangle's angles sum to 180 degrees. Two right angles would leave no room for a third. A bachelor is an unmarried man. By definition, a bachelor is a man who is not married. If A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. This follows the transitive property of equality. If all apples are fruits and all fruits are healthy, then all apples are healthy. If you flip a coin 3 times and it lands heads, the next flip is likely tails. Each coin flip is independent. Probability remains 50-50. No prime number is even. While most primes are odd, 2 is an even prime number. If 5 is greater than 3 and 3 is greater than 1, then 5 is greater than first. This follows the transitive property of inequalities. Congratulations on completing the quiz. How did you do? Whether you aced it or struggled, every question was an opportunity to sharpen your logic and reasoning skills. Remember, critical thinking is a superpower that grows with practice. Let us know your score in the comments or challenge your friends to beat it. Stay curious and keep your mind sharp. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.